up? What's happening? What's poppin'? It's your girl Desia Jean. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below before you guys do anything else, okay? So today I just wanted to come and show you guys how I do my hot oil treatment. I do this treatment at least once or twice a month, just depending on how much my hair needs it. A hot oil treatment is just basically used for frizziness, dry scalp, dandruff, to strengthen your hair all around, help with split ends, and then, you know, make your hair shinier and healthier. So if you guys just want to see how I do my hot oil treatments, just keep on watching.
Okay, so I'll be using some peppermint oil, avocado oil, some extra virgin olive oil, the nourishment oil by Custom by Key, and then the rest of the oil from the Natural Nita. And so I'll just be using this applicator bottle since there's just a little bit of oil left in there. So I will just be using that, and then adding a few drops of peppermint oil, avocado oil, almond oil, and then I'll fill it up with olive oil, and then just add a few drops of the nourishment oil. So then once I add in all my oils together, then I will just go ahead and give it like a little mix. And then I did have some water boiling on the stove, so I just poured that into a glass and then let my oil sit in the boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I will go ahead and take my hair down. My hair is super dry. So I just want to go ahead and add some moisture into it. So I will just go ahead and part my hair into 2 sections and then work into smaller sections. So I'll just spritz my hair with a little bit of water, and then I'll go in with my oil. But first, before I place it on my scalp, I will test it on the back of my hand just to make sure it's not too hot for my scalp. You want to make sure you do that so you're not burning your scalp, okay? And then once I test it on my hand, then I will go ahead and apply the oil to my scalp, massage it in a little bit, and then I will go ahead and apply some to the ends of my hair and then work that all the way through. So once I work that oil all throughout my hair and my scalp, then I will just detangle my hair, and then I will just braid it up and then begin to work on the next section. And so once I'm done applying the oil to my hair and braiding my hair up, I will just take a little bit of more oil and apply it to the parts of my scalp that is showing. And then I will go ahead and apply it to my edges and to the nape of my hair. Okay, so once I'm done applying the oil, then I will go ahead and put a plastic bag over my hair and let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then I'll wash it out. And then here you guys can see just how shiny and healthier my hair is looking. My curls are forming a lot more. But yeah, that's all I do.
Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow all of my social media. I'll be having all of that down in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go ahead and do that. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share, and most definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.